Hi mga kapartners! Alam nyo ba na sa real estate, isang pagkakamali lang sa dokumento pwedeng magdulot ng malaking problema? Kaya nandito kami para tulungan ka with our complete real estate documentation and services. Una, meron tayong property due diligence services para siguradong ligtas at legal ang bawat property na kukunin mo. Kung gusto mo magpatayo ng bahay, we provide Pag-ibig and Bank House Construction Loan Assistance at pati na rin Housing Loan Processing Assistance para mas mabilis at hassle-free ang loan approval. Mayroon din tayong Title Transfer Assistance, whether through extrajudicial settlement, sale, dación en pago, o donation. Kasama rin ang title annotation and cancellation services para maging maayos at updated ang iyong titulo. Kung wala pang titulo ang lupa mo, we also assist with free patent titling. For property valuation, we offer professional property appraisal services at highest and best use property analysis para malaman ang tunay na potential ng property mo. Gusto mo ba ng security sa transactions? We got you covered with property verification and property transaction escrow services. May lupa ka na gusto mong ipa-convert, i-consolidate, i-partition, or i-subdivide? Meron din kaming property conversion assistance at consolidation, partition, and subdivision services. Plus, we provide title reconstitution assistance kung nasira o nawala ang iyong titulo. At kung gusto mong kumita from your property, we can help you sell it, source tenants, and even provide full property management services. And of course, kasama dito ang property consultancy services para may expert advice ka anytime you need it. Dito sa Philippine Property Homes, hindi lang kami nag-aasikaso ng papeles. We protect your investment, save your time, and help you maximize your earnings. So, kung may property ka mayon o balak bumili, don't risk it alone. Message or call us today and let's make your property journey simple, secure, and successful. Again, this is Claire from Philippine Property Homes, your lifetime partner in real estate service.